So you want to make money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, but you're starting with zero experience? Good news, that's exactly how I started too. In this video, I'm sharing my simple, beginner-friendly strategy that helped me start earning commissions with ClickFunnels, even when I had no audience, no list, and no tech skills. Here's what I did. First, I picked a niche. ClickFunnels works for almost every type of online business, from coaches and course creators to e-commerce and local service providers. I focused on people who wanted to start selling digital products. Why? Because they need funnels, and ClickFunnels solves that exact problem. Next, I signed up for the ClickFunnels affiliate program. It's free, and once you're in, you get access to your own affiliate dashboard with links, stats, and resources to promote. Then I created helpful content. You don't need to be an expert, just share what you're learning. I started with simple YouTube videos like how to build your first funnel, ClickFunnels 2.0 walkthrough, and ClickFunnels versus other tools. Every video included my affiliate link in the description. No YouTube? No problem. You can also write blog posts, post in Facebook groups, or create short videos for TikTok and Instagram. The goal is to show people how ClickFunnels helps them and guide them to sign up through your link. Now here's the part that makes a difference. I offered bonuses. I created a few funnel templates and a short PDF checklist. When people signed up through my link, they got these as a bonus. It built trust and gave people extra value, which helped convert more clicks into commissions. Finally, I stayed consistent. Though I didn't get rich overnight, but by posting helpful content weekly and focusing on my niche, the clicks and commissions started to grow. And since ClickFunnels pays recurring commissions, I built a passive income stream over time. So if you're starting with no experience, remember this. Pick a niche, create simple, helpful content, offer a bonus, and stay consistent. Check the video description for my exact bonus strategy and a free ClickFunnels trial link. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more affiliate tips, tutorials, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate journey.